Market focus. The US currency maintains a downward trend at the beginning of the year due to the optimism on the growth of the world economy and the downward dynamics of the US dollar due to the preservation of relatively low liquidity of the market. Stock platforms of the Asia-Pacific region are traded with a plus after the noticeable growth of the Wall Street index at the beginning of the year. Australian and New Zealand dollars were under pressure at the beginning of the day due to the correction of raw materials and the achievement of local highs. Oil is traded at the opening level of the year due to the continued optimism about oil, which is caused by geopolitical risk. The main events of the day. At 5 p.m., data on the U.S., in particular the Index of Employment in the Manufacturing Sector of the U.S. and the Index of Business Activity in the Manufacturing Sector. At 9 p.m., publication of the FOM protocols. At 11:30 p.m., publication of weekly stocks of crude oil in the U.S. according to the American Petroleum Institute, API. Overview of the major pairs. Euro-US dollar. Sale entry started from 1.2070, 1.2100. Buy entry started from 1.2000, 1.1960. British pound US dollar. Sale entry started from 1.3610, 1.3660. Buy entry is started from 1.3550, 1.3500. US dollar. Swiss franc. Sale entry started from 0.9770, 0.9800. Buy entry started from 0.9700, 0.9780. US dollar, Japanese yen. Sale entry started from 112.80, 113.10. Buy entry started from 112.00, 111.60. Gold, US dollar. Sale entry started from 1318.00, 1320.00. Buy entry started from 1310.00, 1306.00. Brent oil. Sale entry started from 67.00, 67.50. Buy entry started from 66.20, 65.80.